Dear students, this is a tutorial to sign in your new Google account which school has created for you to access your Google Classroom. First, you need to go and open the Gmail account. This is an app which is preloaded in every Android devices. First, you need to go inside, and this device is signed in with the Gmail account of your parents. So you can see on the right hand side there is a picture of mine. So your parents' picture or name may be there. You need to go first and toggle that. Then after that, this page comes up. As you can see on the last second, add another account is given. So what you need to do, you need to add the account which we have given to you or shared to you in the group. First, we shall go to that add another account. So this page comes. Here you can see others, Exchange, Yahoo, Outlook. You need not have to worry for that. The Google which is written on top, you need to go inside. From there you can access the entire system. So first we will go to that. So checking info, the screen has got blackout just because there are some passwords which while screen recording it will not show. So checking info. Now this page comes. Here you need to add or type the Google, the user ID that which we have given. So for example, this is our student Kashviz. I am taking example of it. So this way you are going to write, and down below after writing you can see the next. So you need to go and toggle it. Then this password comes. See, as I'm again typing the password which we have given, that is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So after typing in, another page will come. Just wait for a second. The screen has gone blackout, as you know. While screen recording, password are not going to be seen. So this page has come. On top you can see enter your password, and on down below you can see some captions given. So on top you can give your password. So for this I'm going to use the same password as it is demo. So I'm going to use 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and after that I'm going to type the exact words which are in the green. So once again the screen has got blackout, so we need to wait. Here it comes. So the words are GROLLIONOT. Mind it like these words will be different every time you sign in. So at this time when I did it, so this has come, and now the next you need to toggle it again. So welcome has come. Before that one page comes which you will see to accept it, and after accepting this page will come to agree it. I'm not going to agree this because this is not my account. So after this page comes, you agree and you're already signed in. And after that some phone has to gives password of the lock screen, so that the device may ask. So if it comes, you need to just manage the account and create it. So with this I end this video. Thank you.